In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or add profile picture in Outlook. A clear profile photo makes your messages easy to spot and carries across Microsoft apps, so let's update it in just a few clicks. First, open your web browser and go to outlook.live.com. This tutorial uses Outlook on the web because it's the fastest way to change your picture from any device. If you're not already signed in, enter your account details and complete any prompts to get to your inbox. Once your mailbox loads, move your cursor to the very top right corner of the page. Click your current profile picture. If you don't have one yet, you'll see a circle with your initials instead. This opens your account menu. In the menu, look for the small camera icon on or near your picture. Click that. If you don't see the camera, choose Edit Profile. The result is the same and will take you to your profile area where you can change the photo. On the profile panel or page, select Change Photo. This opens the image picker so you can add something new. Now upload your new photo. Choose a clear, well-lit headshot where your face is centered. JPG or PNG files work great. After you pick the image, Outlook will show a preview. Use the zoom and reposition controls if they appear to crop the image nicely. Aim for a square framing with your eyes roughly 1/3 from the top. When it looks good, click Apply to save the change. That's it. Your picture will update in Outlook, and within a short time it should sync across other Microsoft services linked to your account. If the image doesn't refresh immediately, try reloading the page or signing out and back in after a few minutes. A few quick tips to get the best result. Choose a background with good contrast so you stand out and avoid very busy patterns. Keep the file size reasonable. High resolution is fine, but extremely large images can slow the upload. If you're using a work or school account, your organization may set photo policies or crop the image automatically. If you can't change it, check with your administrator. To recap, open Outlook on the web, click your picture or initials, use the camera icon or edit profile, select change photo, upload your image, adjust the crop, and click apply. You've just refreshed your Outlook identity in minutes. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.